beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you a homemade remedy that would stop you from visiting the dentist. Yeah, this is actually very effective and you have to follow the rules and know that natural ingredients, there are no chemical, there are no preservations, so it works and it works 100%, but you have to follow the rules. So be here to see the ingredients that I'm going to be showing you for this homemade dental plaque remedy removal. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up and share. Now let's dive into this video. So guys, this is actually going to stop you from visiting the dentist. Okay, it's actually going to help to remove dental plaque, dental tartar, any decay or mouth odor. Now aloe vera is actually very good for numerous benefits. It helps so much for the skin and also for the hair. You can actually drink aloe vera orally. It's very perfect. Yeah, it helps so much in removing plaque and mouth odor. Okay, so what we're going to do is that you're going to be taking just a little of this aloe vera, because you're just going to be needing it for one go. Okay, because this particular ingredient, you do not have to, you have to use it once a week. You do not have to use it more than once a week. Okay, so this is how you're going to peel your aloe vera. Okay, my aloe vera is actually very tiny. Alright, so this is how I'm actually going to be getting my aloe vera gel. I would get a blender and then blend it. It's actually very easy for me, and it's also going to bring out more aloe vera juice. Yeah, alright, so this is the aloe vera, slimy. We're also going to be making use of baking soda. Now using baking soda on the teeth once a week would effectively help to get rid of dental plaque. It will also help to remove dental decay. Now using it once a week is going to help for mouth odor once a week, guys, because baking soda is abrasive and it's going to kind of irritate the gum if you use it more than once a week. Okay, that's why you need to use it more than, not more than once a week. Okay, so what we're going to do is that you're going to be needing to take in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then we would mix it up with the aloe vera to cut the sliminess of the aloe vera. Alright guys, so we're also going to be needing to use Colgate. Now you can actually use any white toothpaste you lay your hand on. It actually must not be Colgate, but Colgate contains a refreshing mint remedy that works so well in whitening up the teeth. And if you have to use any toothpaste, you have to use a white toothpaste. Yeah, so what you're going to do is that you're going to put in a reasonable quantity of Colgate toothpaste. Alright, so after you put in the paste, you're going to just give it a little stir. So to mix it all up together. And this can go for You can use this twice, but of course it's recommended that you use it once. Yeah, so you're going to be needing to use orange. Okay, now this is actually going to help you so much to give you a fresher breath with the help of orange. So what you're going to do is that you're going to cut it into two. And then you're going to squeeze in just a little quantity of orange juice, enough so that it will make this a friendly paste. Not too much so that it will not actually make it watery. So this is a very perfect consistency. Alright, so let's actually go and make use of this. Alright guys, so here is the teeth whitening and plaque remedy, and you would have to put this into a brush. Okay, so this has to be used once in a week, okay, just like I earlier said. Alright guys, so now you have to brush your teeth with this. Okay, you know that aloe vera is usually bitter, but for this it's actually not bitter at all. It's actually very, the baking soda and other ingredients has actually consumed the bitterness. So you're going to brush your teeth with this. It's actually very foamy. Okay, so if you have dental plaque, tartar decay, you brush with this, okay? You brush your inner mouth, brush the upper part. Now you don't swallow the ingredients, okay? Yeah, you spit it out, brush again, and then you brush your tongue. In a circular motion is perfect. You spit it out and brush again. So you do this once a week, and then brush upper direction so that to make your teeth really white. Now when you're done, you have to rinse it out immediately, okay? Because it's something that you have to use once in a week. And look at how my tongue is clean and my teeth usually white. If you notice, I've done videos of how to maintain your teeth, get a whiter teeth, remove dental plaque and all of that, okay? So basically this is one of the things that I use, and this is gonna be wow, okay? So do this to get rid of all of those dental plaque and tartar, yeah, and you're good to go. So that's it. It's actually very simple and effective, and you have to use it once a week, just like I said. It's going to remove and whoop out all of those, dental plaque, tartar decay, and all of those mouth odor. It's going to work in removing all of that. Yeah, so but you have to use it once a week, all right? So that's it. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And you can see how clean my tongue is and how white my teeth is, because I use these things as often as possible, as often as I can. Yeah, so I'll see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to share. Bye guys, and mwah.